This is not a plant, and it's not from Earth. This is my alien lamp, a lighting concept inspired by alien plants and organic life forms. I designed this lamp completely in Blender, focusing on organic, vein-like structures that feel alive, as if the lamp is growing instead of being built. Printing this lamp was not fast. The base alone took 8 hours, and the alien body took 18 hours to complete. After printing, I hand-painted the lamp to bring out its alien nature, blending colors to make it look organic, alive, and slightly unpredictable. Inside the lamp, I used LED lighting controlled by an ESP32, allowing smooth, glowing illumination. To soften the light, I added tracing paper inside the structure, acting as a diffuser so the lamp glows instead of shining harshly. The result is a lamp that feels less like an object and more like a living alien organism. This is the alien lamp, from concept to reality.